Hi guys, and welcome to my hell. Today I came to shoot the final chapter of the Drift Championship in Romania, which is held up on the highest road in Romania. And we are sitting right now at 2,200 meters above the sea, 0 degrees Celsius, wind, and we are actually sitting in the clouds. Yep, in the clouds. And it's almost impossible to fly because the FPV camera is fogging up almost immediately. All I have to do is just hunt a little break in the clouds to have a rip, and hopefully I can catch some action. So yep, this is my drift adventure on top of a mountain.